if you got some problems, we'll be there to solve them. We're a squad who can do the job. We're a squad who can do the job. If a monster is in trouble, we'll be there on the double. We're the squad who can do the job. We're the squad who can do the job. The Monster Math Squad. The Monster Math Squad. The Monster Math-horrific, totally terrific, horribly horrific Monster Math Squad.
Monster Ball Meltdown!
Ah, there, Goo. 4 monster marbles for you and 4 for me. All even.
Cool! Thanks, Max! 4 marbles for you. And 4 for me.
All even.
The screen always surprises Goo.
Right, Lily. I like surprises.
The screen! Oh, somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care,
The Monster Math Squad will be there!
Hey, it's the Monster Twins, Even Stevie and Even Evie. Hi, twins.
Hi, Monster Math Squad!
how can we help you?
We want to play a game of Monster Ball!
Oh, yay! Monster Bowl is my favorite game.
Monster Ball is my favorite game, too.
But there's a problem. We can't set up our game evenly.
Everything Even Stevie and Even Evie do has to be even.
Right, and we really need your help, or we're gonna freak out!
Oh, don't freak out, twins. The Monster Math Squad will save the day.
Great! See you soon!
We need to help Even Stevie and Even Evie play Monster Bowl evenly. I'm sure we can use some monster math to do that.
Yeah, Monster Math can solve any problem.
For sure, because Monster Math is everywhere.
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad! Join the squad!
You will? Awesome. First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word Monster!
Today's secret monster math word is even.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen.
Even!
Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Oh, right. I always forget.
Come on, Monster Math Squad. Let's go help the twins play Monster Bowl.
Hi, Monster Math Squad! We're so glad you're here! Can you please set up 2 even sets of Monster Ball pins so we can both play together at the same time? All even!
How do you set up 2 even sets of pins?
Did you see Word Monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word, even. Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Even!
Look, it worked. A monster math monitor.
A toy for the little green monster. A toy for the little red monster. Another toy for the little green monster. And another toy for the little red monster. Another toy for the little red monster. Uh-oh, it's not even. And another toy for the little green monster. All even.
Thanks, Monster Math Monitor. Now we know all about things that are even.
Yeah, like when everyone has the same number of toys.
I bet that will help us figure out how to set up Even Stevie and Even Evie's Monster Bowl pins.
Even is all about math. We can do this, squad.
Let's do Monster Math! To make the Monster Bowl pins even, we need to have the same number in each lane.
Okay, then. Let's make the number of pins even.
Oh, here's 2 pins for Even Stevie.
And 2 pins for Even Evie.
Are Are they even? They are! Oh, goody!
2 more pins for even Evie.
And 2 more for even Stevie.
How about now? All even? Oh, yes!
2 more pins for even Stevie.
And 2 more pins for even Evie.
And 1 last pin for even Stevie.
Time to play Monster Ball! Woohoo!
That doesn't look exactly even.
Why not?
What do you think, Squad? Oh, right. There are different numbers of pins.
And remember, to make things even, there has to be the same number of pins.
So, the pins aren't even now?
No! We're freaking out!
Don't freak out, twins. We'll figure this out. I hope.
Oh, what are we gonna do? Even Stevie has 1 more pin than even Evie.
How can we make the pins even?
I heard a squawk. Did you see Word Monster? You did? Then let's shout the secret monster math word even together again. On 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Even! Cool! A monster math monitor!
Time to put the toys away. A toy from the little green monster. And a toy from the little red monster. That's even. A toy from the little red monster. And a toy from the little green monster. That's even. A toy from the little red monster. Uh-oh. He won't hand over the toy. That's not even. A toy from the little green monster. All even. The toys are put away.
Well, that was pretty cool. Now we know that you can make things even by taking things away.
But how do we make the game even? Even Stevie has 1 more pin than even Evie.
I've got an idea. Look, a flying whatchamacallit monster.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, me neither.
Hey, look! Our monster bowling pins are all even.
Huh, they are. Isn't that amazing?
How did that happen?
Now we can play! Hooray! Are we still even?
Do they still have the same number of pins? No! Even Stevie knocked down 1 pin, so even Evie has 1 more pin left standing. See?
We're gonna freak out again!
Oh, no, don't freak out again, twins. The Monster Math Squad will think of something. I hope.
Let's think. Even Stevie already knocked a pin down. What should they do?
Maybe even Evie can knock a pin down too.
Great idea, Goo. Then things will be even again.
Are we even?
Do the pins look even? Yes! Keep bowling, twins!
Are we still even?
What do you think?
Right! Not even! Even Evie has more pins knocked down.
Don't freak out, twins. We'll fix this. Even Stevie, keep bowling until you're even.
Are they even now? Yes! Even!
Monster Bowl! Yay!
Almost all the pins are knocked down. Only 1 left each.
This is the most important part. We have to knock the last pins down at the same time, so we end up all even.
Woohoo! This is exciting!
Goo, please don't shout so much. You'll wake up the monster bowling balls.
Monster bowling balls don't roll properly when they're awake.
Oh no! The balls woke up! They're rolling down the alley unevenly!
They might not hit the pins at the same time.
Freak out!
How can we keep this crazy game even?
That ball is about to hit a pin.
And the other is rolling right out of the park! Oh, I can't watch!
I know what to do.
Yay! Goo's a bowling ball. Go, Goo, go!
Woohoo! Go, yes!
Both pins are down at the same time.
All even! Yay!
Monster Math Amazing!
Best Monster Ball game ever!
We helped to make Even Stevie and Even Evie play Monster Bowl. And we did it by knowing all about even.
Great job, Monster Math Squad! That deserves a great big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ow!
We
did the math!